Hello my haunted darlings, it's me! Do I look vampiric today? I got new contacts and I feel like that's what it makes me look like, is like a vampire or something. If I do, then we're in luck because my idea for today was vampire breakfast. Not really blood or anything, but just something moody and pretty. I was thinking we could make regular American breakfast, like bacon, eggs, pancakes, that sort of thing, but cute, you know? Pretty. So I was thinking we could make black heart pancakes with cherries on top, some cherry juice. We can make some eyeball flowers with the eggs and bacon. I think we can make it look really cool. Obviously you can use whatever pancake mix you want. This is just the one I have. So we're gonna put 2 cups of this and 1.5 cups of water. We're going to use food grade activated charcoal to darken the pancakes. Some people say that this makes food taste kind of gritty, so we're only going to use 2 tablespoons of it, and if it doesn't come out the shade we want, we're just going to use black food coloring to do the rest. Some people said that you can use squid ink as a substitute to make foods black, but I've never tried that and I don't really know where to get it, so food coloring and charcoal it is. So what did we think, you guys? Do you think it came out cute? I think it came out pretty cute if I do say so myself. I've never tried to make this before, so it was a little bit of a learning curve, but I think I did pretty well for my first time. What do you guys think? Would you try it? I think it looks pretty good. Have you ever tried to make this? If so, do you have any tips? Let me know. I hope you guys enjoyed this video because I enjoyed baking with you, and I will see you next time. Goodbye, guys.